out here with Adrian and Adriana. They're going to be making the cake. They have grease, water, and eggs.
Okay.
And this is how the cake mix actually look.
No.
We
No.
water in there.
Okay.
Who want to put the eggs? Who want to put the eggs in?
Me.
Okay. Don't put it in there.
I want to make mine.
Okay.
How you put eggs?
And y'all can take turns stirring it up.
Okay.
Another time. And we have a pan here.
Okay. What?
You want to stir it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, princess. We got to get all the lumps and bumps out.
No.
You don't want all the lumps and bumps out? It's going to be nasty, girl. You don't want it to be nasty, do you? 'Cause I don't think I'm eating none if it's nasty. You doing it, big girl. You want some? Okay, we're gonna cut you some. We got to put it in the oven.
Put the oven?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven when we done, y'all.
No.
You can't eat it like this. This nasty.
It's nasty?
Yeah, if you eat it like this. Yeah, it smells good.
Yes.
Y'all smell that? It smells really good. Let Juicy do it now. Juicy turn. Let your brother do it.
No.
And then you next again. Gotta get all the lumps and bumps out, Juicy. Why are you crying? I don't want you to cry. What's wrong? You want to do it too? You have to share, princess.
No.
You don't want to share?
No.
Next time we're gonna have to let you get your own. Just let it. You have to share. He want to help bake the cake too.
No.
Yes, he do. Y'all doing it together. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Wait. Teamwork.
Yep, teamwork.
Oh, teamwork. Teamwork. Oh, teamwork. Teamwork. So good.
You can't eat this. You're gonna be sick. Alright. We done stirred it all up. Now we're gonna pour it in the pan.
In the pan.
You wanna pour it in the pan, Adriana?
Yeah.
Pour it in there. Dump it in.
Dump it in. It smells
Let me see. Let me get it all out. I gotta get it all out. I'm gonna get it all out for you. There's still some in there. It's at the bottom. So y'all, we'll be back once it's done cooking. Tell them we'll be back. Tell them we'll be back, Adriana.
No.
You're not coming back?
No.
So you're not gonna show them what you cook?
No, princess.
Okay, princess.
That's
We gotta go put it in the oven.
cook.
So you don't want us to go put it in the oven?
No. Yeah.
So we gotta just throw it in the trash then, cause we can't eat it like this. That's just nasty.
No.
That's really nasty.
No.
Yes, it is nasty.
Let's put in the oven. No.
Adrian said let's put it in the oven. I agree.
No.
You don't agree with us?
No. See
You think you run everything,
no,
don't
no,
you?
no,
Yes, yes, yes.
no. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Birds. Okay, Mom.
You can't eat it like this. We have to go put it in the oven.
Okay.
Let them know we finna put it in the oven.
No, we will put
Say we're gonna.
No.
Yes, 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 yes.
No. We got put,
Yes.
You got put in the oven. No.
Y'all, we finna go put this in the oven. We was not finna argue with Adriana. Not today.
Not today.
Say not today.
Not today.
No. Yeah, we're not finna argue with her. We're finna go put this in the oven and we will be back.
What? Yes,
Yes, we will be back.
Back.
This is the cake after it's baked.
That's the cake.
Now we're finna icing it with
Ice.
white icing.
Baba milk. That's it.
Yep. With what the probably got icing in my hair, but it's all good. Here we back, and the cake is officially iced, and we finna cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it.
You
Cut it.
You got cut it.
Say cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it. Look at it. Look at it.
There you go.
Yes.
How it look after we cut it. Ooh, it looks so good. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all want some?
Yeah.
Y'all can have some. You
Yes.
said y'all can have a piece.
No. I'm happy.
Now we're cutting Jonna a piece, Jonna mama. And here go Adriana piece.
What's my first?
You didn't get no pork from your daddy. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye, Princess. Say bye.
Bye.